Hello viewers, this is Joseph Calypso. Today we are changing the engine mount for X2. We take out already the engine mount. To remove the engine mount, just like you need to lose a lot of things, just to access little bit space. And this is for evap. It goes to the purge valve here. Just you disconnect this one and you have access to take out the bolt for the engine mount, especially to the strut side. Strut side is the harder one. Yeah, once if you remove that one, you need to remove the headlight wiring, just like this guy. This one you have to remove, and the washer fluid from here, and after that you will put it down, and there is access to remove this engine mount. There is access to remove this engine mount through inside here. Once if you remove this one, just like this, you have access to remove. Thank you viewers, thank you very much. Yeah, I will update another video if this kinds of just a little bit difficult job, but if you have a patient, you will do it. Yeah, thank you very much.